Welcome to Miami Diaries. Last week was just the beginning of this series, and I'm so grateful for the energy you all brought to the first episode. It's the start of a new week, and there is something about the way the morning light hits the water here that always resets my perspective. Before the city wakes up, I like to take a moment for myself. Coffee, a little reflection, and choosing the pieces that set the tone for the day. Before I head out, I wanted to address the messages I've been getting about this Omega necklace. I was actually in the vault earlier this week, breaking down how different carat sizes like this 3-carat pear, oval, and heart sit against the gold. This is what 1-carat pear shape would look like. This one here is 2 carats. It looks like this. This one is 3 carats, heart-shaped diamond, 3-carat oval diamond. I wanted to give you this visual reference because it's so much more than just a size. It's about how the light plays with the shape. Today's mission is a fun one. A close friend reached out for a second opinion on a Valentine's gift she's eyeing in the design district, and since I'm still on the hunt for my own dress, I'm bringing you along. Ding, ding, ding. If you've never been to the Miami Design District, this place is so beautiful. Every store gives a museum. Everyone is dressed so nice. The vibe here is so good. The energy, everybody's happy, everybody is well dressed. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I'm in the Miami Design District at Clio Peppiat on a mission to find the perfect look for my own celebration. The getting ready process is never just about the dress. It's about balancing the vision with the work that makes it all possible. Clio Peppiat feels like stepping into a curated dream. This mini dress is a literal tribute to the sea, hand-beaded with encrusted starfish, bright seahorses, and colorful seashells. Seeing this level of craft always fuels my passion for my own jewelry designs. I've been manifesting a studio space that feels exactly like this, girly, refined, and focused on the finer details. Look at this limited edition that they made for Miami. It's a playful, glamorous, and fantasy of South Beach. Again, it's hand-beaded in a blue-pink ombre. The dress features a retro pink Cadillac with Miami license plate and bright pink flamingos, dolphin, palm trees, and tasseled beach umbrella. This is just a dream. When you're preparing for a special moment, the neckline is everything. I'm testing a few options: the flattering square cut of the blue coral, a bold leopard mini for something playful, and this incredible gold piece that feels like pure luxury. I want a look that feels sophisticated but effortless, something that stands out in the Miami sun without trying too hard. I've made my choice. The bag is packed, and I can't wait to show you the final look later. My friend was waiting for me in Cartier. She was really curious about their signature diamond studs, so we sat down to take a look at their 1-carat earrings. Each stone is about 0.59 carats, and honestly, the quality is beautiful. Cartier uses exceptionally high-grade natural diamonds, and you can see that brilliance on the ear. So these ones are 0.59 and they are set in white gold. And I think these are 17,000. I'm gonna check. Then I took a closer look at the tag. For the pair, we're looking at $17,450. It's a stunning experience, but as a jeweler, my mind immediately goes into the breakdown of what you're actually paying for. I took a quick photo of the specs for my notes, and we headed back out into the sun to see what else the district had to offer. After Cartier, we swung by Tiffany to look at their classic half eternity bands. My friend was looking for something versatile. These are perfect because they're stunning worn alone for that quiet luxury look or stacked with rings you already own. This specific band is 18 karat gold with a total carat of 0.93. Craftsmanship is classic Tiffany, but the price tag is $11,900. As a designer who knows exactly what it costs to source these specific stones and gold, seeing nearly $12,000 for under a carat always gives me pause. We headed over to Nabinori for lunch, which is Pharrell Williams' new Japanese spot here in the Design District. What makes this place so special is their signature open-style temaki. They serve these beautiful taco-shaped hand rolls where the nori stays incredibly crispy while the fish is absolute star. Okay, let's pause for a minute because after seeing those crazy high luxury prices, I feel like there's a misconception that you need to spend 5 figures in order to have access to high quality diamonds and gold. Listen, I love luxury, but I also like being smart with my money. That's why I wanted to create a collection that actually gives you that high-end look, but at prices that make sense. I mean, I love luxury, but I also like being smart with my money. And that's why I wanted to create a collection that is timeless, that gives you that same luxury feeling, but with prices that actually make sense. In the Atelier, it's very cold and there's a lot of running around, so you always want to look nice, but you have to be comfortable. Here we have these jeans that I got in Paris 2 years ago from Massimo Dutti, t-shirt, and this navy blue crop. I'm wearing my new loafers that I got from Loro Piana. I've been wearing them nonstop since I got them. These are the most comfortable shoes ever. Taking navy blue, Birkin 25. This is in Togo leather. I love this bag. I use it every day. I don't have to baby it. I don't have to worry about it. Nothing ever happens to it. It doesn't get scratched. It doesn't matter if it gets a couple of raindrops. This bag is just my shining armor. You'll notice the hair is up and out of the way. Whenever I head back to the Atelier to check on custom orders, I have to switch into jeweler mode. This is 20 inches. So what we need to do now is we need to cut it to 16 and we need to put an extender so it can also be worn as a choker in 14. Let's go do that. That's the mission for the moment. This is Paola. She's a master diamond setter. Watching her work is so meditative. It takes her about 4 hours of pure concentration to set a single bracelet. This is the heart of the brand. This is where we take the same level of craft we saw at Tiffany and Cartier and make it accessible by cutting out the massive luxury markup. Okay guys, I am in the office. You've never seen this area where I'm sitting right now because this is where all the magic happens. This is where the finished products come here before we put them out on the floor. So this is a room that is just very peaceful, very vibey, very quiet, as you can see. I had to stop the Omega Challenge because I have 5 pieces that are showstoppers that are ready right now to ship overnight. I need to be 100% honest with you guys. The prices that I am about to give you are not my normal prices for custom work. As you know, the prices for gold and diamonds has skyrocketed recently, and this is what I called vault treasures. I had these natural diamonds in my inventory from pieces that I had made before, and I had leftover stones, and the gold was cast previously when the price of the market was significantly lower. If I were to make these from scratch for you, I would have to charge you 50 to 60% more. This is one-time opportunity to get high-end natural diamonds at old world prices. Once they're gone, they're gone. The biggest curse of being a jewelry designer and being in the jewelry industry is that I know the cost of producing everything. So when I walk into Tiffany and Cartier, I know the cost of making that exact same ring. So this is a half eternity, all natural diamond ring. I can wear this one next to other rings that you already have, or you can wear it alone and it's just like a stunning piece. And it's $1,900. Tiffany has a similar one with less diamonds, 0.57 carats of diamonds, and it's selling for $6,800. Fourth ring is this micro pave diamond ring here. I love how micro pave just bounces the light. This one has 1.4 carats of diamonds. I am selling this one for $1,580. Next, I have something that is truly a staple for any elegant collection, the natural diamond tennis choker. I have this available in 14 karat white, yellow, and rose gold. It features 1.5 carats of high brilliance diamonds and has adjustable length. So you can wear it as a choker or longer as a classic tennis necklace. Here's the reality. In the boutiques we visited today, a piece with this diamond quality and gold weight retails for around $15,000. Because this is part of my vault treasures, I'm selling these for $2,800.
$858. Once they are claimed, the price will have to go up to reflect our current market gold costs. If you want that expensive but effortless energy, text or WhatsApp me right now. I'm shipping these out overnight today.
And finally, this next piece I'm going to show you is a beast compared to the ones that you find in the stores with the big blue box. This is a statement necklace. This is a heart in natural diamonds with 1.5 carats of diamonds set in 18 karat white gold. I am selling this piece for $2,500. Tiffany has a similar one with 1.96 carats. There goes for $17,800. Text the WhatsApp on the screen right now. I am shipping these out immediately today. The first person to text me is the first person to get them.
I've officially added the Omega necklace to the Spiritual Gloss website since so many of you were asking for the link after the last diary. You'll also see a dedicated section called The Vault. Use my code MTL10 at checkout for an additional 10% off your order.
It's that time of the day where all I want to do is just lay down and relax and just have like a hot cup of coffee and take a hot shower and do all my skincare and take care of this pimple that is growing right here, which has to be gone by the weekend. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun spending the day with me out, getting ready for my Valentine's Day date, and coming with me to work. Remember, I left you that phone number on the screen in case you want to get in touch with me. That is the phone number that we are going to be communicating on from now on, because a lot of you have my personal number. And even though I love talking to you on my personal number, sometimes I don't answer quick enough. At least I know that whenever I get a text message on that number that I'm actually going to pin in the comment section as well is from one of you that wants to just talk to me, get in touch with me, ask me something about jewelry, life, whatever. So I am really happy and I look forward to talking to all of you down in the comment section, and text me on WhatsApp or in regular text messages. I am going to be talking to all of you and I look forward to it.
Good morning from a very special day in Miami. Seeing the sunrise over the city like this always feels like a fresh start, but today the energy is even more beautiful. It's finally Valentine's Day, but in this house, we are double celebrating because it is also Gabby's birthday week. We decided to move the party out to the balcony to take in the views while we have a slow, intentional breakfast. We spent the morning setting the table with fresh flowers and making all of her absolute favorite things. There is something so rewarding about creating a beautiful space for people you love. It's the perfect way to reset before the rest of the day's celebrations begin. Today we'll be surrounded by roses, silly props, and the people who make life feel like a party. This is what the Miami Diaries are all about, balancing the hustle with the heart. Thank you for being here with me. Check the vault treasures on the site before they're gone, and I'll see you next week. Bye!